Malacanang tells former President Rodrigo Duterte's domestic partner Hanilet Avancenia not to make light of the recent reported kidnappings and killings in the country. In a press briefing on Friday, April 11, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says the reported kidnappings and killings should not be made into a mockery. Avancenia earlier poked fun at the recent spate of kidnappings in the country by congratulating President Bongbong Marcos. But Castro reminds Avancenia that this issue concerns actual lives that are at stake or were lost.
Kaya kay Ms. Hanilet Avancenia, huwag niyo pong gawin na issue. Dahil may buhay po ditong nakasalalay, may mga buhay na nawala. Huwag niyong gawing issue ito at gawin niyong katatawanan ang gobyerno. Hindi natin malaman bakit ganon ang naging attitude ni Ms. Hanilet. Parang ikinatutuwa pa ba niya na may mga ganitong sitwasyon sa bansa?
Castro says Filipinos should instead unite to help progress the country and show the world that Filipinos stand together. She emphasizes that the Marcos administration continues to condemn every crime happening in the country. The palace official says they would not want to do something like congratulating Duterte for the extrajudicial killings during his administration.
Huwag silang gumawa ng gulo dahil hindi po yan maganda. Huwag nila simulan ang gulo sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng ganitong mga klaseng remarks o pananalita. Huwag na po sana mamutawi sa inyong bibig ang mga ganitong klaseng pananalita. Dahil hindi po rin natin gugustuhin i-congratulate ang dating Pangulong Duterte sa mga nagawa pong EJK. Dahil po buhay po ang pinag-uusapan dito.
Duterte is currently detained at The Hague, Netherlands, over crimes against humanity charges before the International Criminal Court. His administration's war against drugs led to at least 6,000 people dead, with human rights groups reporting at least 20,000.